I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is GiveWP. Select a form or task name from the drop-down. I am selecting a user makes donation via form. You can choose as you want. Select a donation form. Click Next. Search and select Action Nimble. Give here an API token, so please visit the Nimble API token. Generate new token. Give here a meaningful name. Generate. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your donation page. Type some information and submit the donation form. The donation has been done successfully. Now go to the Nimble site and go to People. Refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the Nimble site. Thanks for watching.